Hi, I'm Jonathan Cheever, Olympic snowboarder, licensed plumber, and proud GROHE athlete. GROHE makes some of the most sustainable, highest quality, and best looking products on the market. I'm going to show you how to install your new Concetto faucet like a pro. Our Concetto sink comes in two colors. We have chrome and super steel. Pictured, you have the chrome finish. Inside the box, we have the upper sink, which consists of the faucet head, the high spout, the pull-down faucet hose, the sink mixer, and the watertight seal. For the lower sink, we have our stabilization ring, our tightening seal, our basin nut and basin screws, our quick coupler, our pull-down weight. In order to install your GROHE Concetto faucet, you're going to need a few tools. A basin wrench, which is a vertical wrench with a long handle and rotating head to both tighten and loosen basin nuts. You can find this at your local tool store for under $15. A light, I prefer a headlamp, a pair of pliers and an adjustable wrench or pair of finish pliers, a small vessel to catch any water, a rag, safety glasses, and a Phillips driver or cordless drill. To install your GROHE Concetto, we're going to start by mounting our sink mixer. To do that, we're going to feed our watertight seal through the supply hoses and mount our sink mixer to our sink base. Next, we're going underneath the sink. Underneath the sink, the mounting kit's going to go in this order: stabilization ring, gasket, washer, basin nut, basin screws. Put your basin screws on before you put your basin nut on. Since it's a little tight underneath the sink to get a camera there, I'm going to show you how this is mounted with the sink mixer in my hand. First, the stabilization ring goes on with the circle side down, followed by the gasket, then our washer, I put the basin screws into the basin nut before the basin nut goes on. As a bro tip, put the screws flush to the basin nut, and that just threads on to the brass piece. When your basin nut is tight, you'll use a basin wrench to make it snug, and then a Phillips driver to make it really tight. Now that our sink mix is mounted, we're going to take the top part of the sink mixer and unthread it, put it to the side, take our nylon hose, feed it through the high spout, we'll feed this through the top part of the sink mixer, thread the top part of the sink mixer back on. Now that our nylon hose is through the sink mixer, we put our high spout onto the sink mixer. It's going to take a little bit of pressure, and be careful that our lock ring isn't in the way. Now that the nylon hose is through our high spout and sink mixer, simply take our sink head, slide it on over the O-ring, and thread on the rest of the sink head. Now that the sink's mounted, there's only a few steps left. First, we take the brass piece that we threaded through our high spout and sink mixer, and we put our quick coupler on. It's very important that this only goes on hand tight. Now that our quick coupler is hand tight, and it even says on the coupler, only make it hand tight, it slides on to the bottom of our sink mixer. GROHE's Concetto faucet and other fixtures come with quick couplers that are 1.75 gallons a minute flow. If you want to change the flow, you could purchase other quick couplers. Now that our quick coupler is connected, there's only two more steps. We're going to tie in the supply lines. I'm using my finished pair of pliers. Our last step is to install the hose weight. What the hose weight does is allows the pull-down faucet to operate and retract automatically. Take your nylon hose, find the end that is going up through the high spout, put the hose weight on, and it attaches with Phillips screws. The GROHE Concetto faucet comes with GROHE's Silk Move quality ceramic disc cartridge. It provides ultra smooth handle motion to ensure precise control of water flow and temperature. The GROHE Concetto comes with a limited lifetime warranty, and it looks so good it's going to tie your room together. Now you're going to start hosting dinner parties. I'm Jonathan Cheever, thanks for watching my install video.